Hello, our students.
Hello, Miss Tina.
In last lecture we know what's the planning and it's important, but before you plan your lesson, you will first need to identify the learning objectives for the class meeting. Then, you can design appropriate learning activities and develop strategies. We need a main components to make successful plan.
What are the main components of the lesson plan?
The first component of a lesson plan is the learning objectives. You should determine what you want students to learn and be able to do at the end of class.
How can I do this?
You should answer this question when you make the objective. What is the topic/content of the lesson? What do I want students to learn? What do I want them to understand and be able to do at the end of class? To answer these questions, identify a topic/content for the lesson, and it's the second component of a lesson plan. To do this step, you should ask this question to yourself. What are the most important concepts, ideas, or skills I want students to be able to grasp and apply? Why are they important? If I ran out of time, which ones could not be omitted? And conversely, which ones could I skip if pressed for time? Can you understand these points?
Yes, we understand them. What's the other components?
Okay, the third component is the activities you will use to get students to understand and apply what they have learned. You will have a diverse body of students with different achievement levels, learning styles and personal experiences. You should choose activities which cover a wide range of students' interests, levels, and backgrounds. Then, the fourth component of a lesson plan is the strategies, techniques, and teaching aids you are going to use. Can you guess what's the next component?
It's the types of interaction in the classroom.
True, this is the fifth component. Then, the sixth component of a lesson plan is assessment, which is useful for 4 reasons. 1. It reinforces the material that was presented earlier in the lesson. 2. It provides an opportunity for students to raise questions of usage and style. 3. It enables the instructor to monitor individual student comprehension and learning. 4. It provides closure to the lesson. The seventh component of a lesson plan is feedback or reflection on your lesson plan. You should make use of this feedback to decide on your future aims. The last component of a lesson plan is time. You should create a realistic timeline to conduct your lesson plan. You should know that it is easy to run out of time and not cover all the many points you had planned to cover.
There's any strategies/method for realistic timeline?
Yes, here are some strategies. Estimate how much time each of the activities will take, then plan some extra time for each. When you prepare your lesson plan, next to each activity indicate how much time you expect it will take. Plan a few minutes at the end of class to answer any remaining questions and to sum up key points. Plan an extra activity or discussion question in case you have time left. Be flexible, be ready to adjust your lesson plan to students' needs and focus on what seems to be more productive rather than sticking to your original plan. Now, we have come to the end of our lecture. See you next lecture.